How are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. Make sure that a red subscribe button is gray. But if you're not new, you know I don't have a red hair. I have on my head a synthetic wig from UNIWIGS, and it's pretty comfortable and you can tell that's a real one. Tell me please in comments down below. I'm really curious to know. Also guys, if you want to try a wig for you with a new hair color without ruining your hair, make sure to check out my discount code that I leave in the info bar down below for you. So let's jump right into our tutorial.
We'll begin with our bubble braid first. So we'll grab a small top section like I'm showing and we'll tie it using a clear elastic. Then I'll pull it to make it voluminous. Now I'll grab a section from the ponytail and wrap it around the elastic and tuck it into the elastic underneath. I'll show you slowly how I'm doing. You can only tie it using elastics and it's cute as well. So we'll tie our second elastic on the ponytail and then pull created bubble. If you want, you can wrap it with your hair or leave it as I said before with only elastics. So I'll have on this ponytail two bubbles. As you can see, I'm not grabbing more hair from the scalp. Now I'm making a low ponytail, incorporating our first ponytail as well with our two bubbles. Then again I'll wrap a hair around the elastic, but as I said, that's optional. Then I'll tie another elastic right below our first elastic of the ponytail and make a bubble as well. Wrap a hair around the elastic, and you want to continue these steps over and over until desired look, because you can have a lot of bubbles or you can have only 4 or 3 of them and it will look amazing either way. I think that this will be my last bubble, and we'll move on to our topsy tail braid. So we'll grab on one side of our parting a section of hair, tie it using a clear elastic, and then make an opening and bring the ponytail through it. Pull it, of course, and then you want to tighten it a little more to make more volume. Then grabbing another section from opposite side of our parting and then grabbing another section from opposite side of the parting and make your second ponytail. Bring the ponytail through the opening, tighten and then pull it, and then again you want to grab a small section of hair from either side of our parting and make our topsy tails. So we want to continue these steps over and over again until we have no more hair to add from the sides of our parting. about here, we'll do the same motions. So we grab section of hair from underneath and bring them up and tie them both together, basically making a straight line of topsy tails. You can stop halfway or depending on your desired look. I'll make it till the end so you can see better the shape of my braid, the shape of my Also, I decided that will be so elegant if I'll tie an organza fabric. You can accessorize it how you want. So moving on to our third 3D topsy tail braid, we'll basically make a very low ponytail. Hiding the elastic, we'll grab a small section of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around. This time I'll grab my bobby pin to fix it underneath. Then I'll divide all my ponytail into two and I'll tie two rubber bands. Then I'll make two topsy tails, but make them inside like I'm showing. So we'll bring them through the opening through opposite sides. I hope that you understand what I mean. Then you want to pull it and tie them both together. This way we'll have this 3D topsy tail bubbly looking braid. Oh my god, I love it so much because it looks so unique. If you have long hair, girl, you should definitely do this braid every day. So you want to continue these steps over and over again, making two topsy tail and then pull them and tie them both together. Also guys, I'm making my bubbles first on one side and then on another side, so this way my braid will look straight in the back. Also, I decided to add some flowers. Cute, right? Now, our fourth hairstyle, basically we'll have a pull-through braid. We'll use the same ponytail that we did with our third braid. We'll divide it into two, tie just one of the sections, and then open it and bring a second one through it, and then again grabbing second section, you want to tie it, make an opening and bring a first section through it. So you want to continue these steps over and over again. So basically this is a pull-through braid, but a little different method that I'm usually doing. So you want to make just half of your braid. I'll do it basically till the end and I'll accessorize it, of course. What do you think about these braided hairstyles without braiding? I love them so much. They're so easy to understand and it will stay in place all day long, comparing to a simple braid, especially if you have layers.
If you enjoyed today's braided hairstyles, please don't forget about thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button. Make them gray, okay? Leave me please in comments down below your video request. But that's it for today. Love you lots. Bye!